Hi everyone! Today we're going to be doing a full set on some little fingers, so stay tuned! So these little hands belong to my client Abby. She's about like 9 years old at this point, and she and her mom like to go on like mom and daughter dates to get their nails done with me. So today we are doing a full set or overlay on little Abby's nails. And when you're working on children, well, first and foremost, I only work on my clients' children. Like, I don't advertise my services for children because that's just not my preference. I'd rather work on adults, and my salon isn't really suited for children. It's not really kid friendly. So anytime I'm working on a child, it's typically the child of my client. But anyway, so yeah, as you can see, Abby has super tiny hands because she's only 9. And the prep process is still very similar to what I would normally do. Like I, remove the shine and oils from her nails with the sanding band. I go in with my cone bit to get into her sidewalls. And then I'll go in with my cuticle nippers here and remove the dead skin and cuticle off her nails like I would with any person. So the main difference between working on an adult and a child during a nail service is that kids get antsy and they move a lot and stuff. Sometimes they get restless, which is fine, like that. They're kids, it happens. So with Abby or any other little kid client that I work on, I always check on them throughout the service to make sure they're okay. I ask them if they need a break. I have to remind them to hold still more often than I do for an adult for the most part. So you have to have a lot more patience when you're working with a little one. And Abby's gotten her nails done by me before, and so she kind of knows the deal. She knows to stay still. She knows to, she knows like what to do in this situation. So, and it's for her, it's just another service, another day type of thing. Now moving on to the acrylic application for my client's nails, my client's little nails. I'm using a very small brush. I don't know what size this is. It's probably like a 8, but I'm using a very small brush, and I'm basically doing an overlay or a very, very short extension. Again, she's only 9, so I'm not going to be extending her nails by that much. Because one, she's a kid, and two, she plays sports and stuff, and she's a little kid. She doesn't need a whole extended nail. But again, this is her mommy and daughter date, so they're doing their nails. She wants to do something a little bit different, a little bit extra, And when working with little hands, little nails, I'm just using, I'm just using one bead of acrylic, and that's really all I need because her nails are so small. So like I said before, Abby has been to me before. This isn't her first, set of nails or anything. And we have this cute little routine when she comes in. So she'll come in and typically with her mom, because her mom gets her nails done by me too. So she'll come in. I have to put a pillow down for her to sit on because she's so short and little. And then she'll put on her iPad, she'll put on a show, and so we typically watch Boss Baby together as we're doing her nails. And it is so much fun. Like she gets so into it. She'll pause it, like, did you hear him say that? Did you see that? And I'm like, yeah, Abby, I saw it on the little iPad. It's so cute. Oh, I love my little clients. And to kind of like debulk her nails, I'm not gonna use the regular sized carbide bit that I normally do. I'm going in with this needle bit here that I typically only use for the cuticle area. But again, since her nails are so little, that I can use this bit to actually file her whole nail, as you can see here. So that's kind of cute and funny. So I have a question for the viewers right now. If you've ever, gotten, acrylic nails on or nail extensions, how old were you when you first got them done? For me, I think I was in middle school. I must have been in like 6th grade. And I got my nails done for the first time, and I was so excited and so happy. And I remember the lady just mentioning that my nails were so little that she had to use like the smallest size tips on me because my nails are very long and slender. So that was cool. And then my mom let me get designs and stuff, and it was so much fun. It had such a great experience for my first, full set of nails as a 6th grader. And I got mine kind of long because my nails are really long, but I was clickety and clacketing all in class and stuff. Okay, so we're nearing the end of the video. I'm just doing my finish filing here, and I'm so excited to show you what her nails look like. They're so cute. They're so tiny. Look at that. And then look at the design that she and her mom got. Matching designs. How cute. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.